Okay. So inside is the ear that I bought. It comes with 2 clips. That's actually nice. I like this. And it comes with a comb. That's nice. The other videos that I watch on YouTube, he actually came with a necklace, and I was like, I don't want a necklace. What's the point of getting a necklace? But a comb and these 2 clips are actually perfect, because that's what you need for your hair. And comes with these little cards, which is good. I definitely gonna do this. This is not a sponsored video. I bought all these products on my own. It was like $100 and something. I definitely put the exact price down below. I did get a coupon off one of the YouTubers, so it gives you instructions of how to maintain your ear, which is really good, because I mean, I spent $100 and something for this. I definitely want to know how to maintain it. And there are 2 wig caps in the box. Awesome. And then my receipt, which on the receipt, the price without the coupon, it was $207. You guys see it? Without the coupon, it was $207. With the coupon, this is the coupon that I use on it, and this is a total with the coupon. Here is the information about the wig. I definitely put all this information in the description box for you guys. The color looks actually different from the other YouTubers. I think this color is like maybe too bright for me, but we'll see. It does come with a strap already sewed in. It seems if it's sewed in really tight and firm. It's really good. It has a big comb in the back, combs at the side, and one in the middle. I may not use the middle, and this is also bleach, which I like that. The stitching it looks really good. Look well intact. Seems like there is a lace, some sort of a lace at the back. Yeah, just not much, a tiny little piece. I think this is enough room to part my hair. This is how the parting is. To me, the parting look a little bit wide, like very wide. Like right here, right here, like the hair is completely gone. Like this to me just look a little bit wide, but we'll see. I'll see what I can do to fix that. I don't know if this one has baby hair in it. No, it doesn't look like it comes with baby hair, so I might have to put in some baby hair. I really don't know how to put in baby hairs, but I guess I'll figure it out. I'm gonna cut this piece off. I'm not gonna cut it too close to the earline, a little farther away, and see how it goes. Okay, so this is how it looked before I cut the net. You can see straight through. You can see the cap that I have. Here is like very thin. You can see everything, and it's pre-plucked, which is really nice, but I don't know if I'm liking this pre-plucked situation, because it probably does look a very thin here. Like I can see the cap, the wig cap here. I'm part the other way. See, I can see the wig cap. I'm not sure if that's supposed to happen, but I'm gonna find a way how to fix this. Need to figure a way how to fix this, so I'll be back, guys. I went ahead and cut the lace. This did help a lot. I also bought this product in Amazon. It's called the Wig Grip. It was $19. I definitely put the information in the description box. And this is the information it gives you. I think I'm gonna use this for this cap, this wig, since the airline is so thin, we'll see how that goes. If not, then I'll probably just do it by itself with my own natural hair and see how that goes. So I'm gonna put it on again and see the outcome of this.